Alright, y'all. Let's welcome this page, man. FAZOE37. You feel me? 37. I know 35, 37. Fin. That's what my little motherfucking name. Fin. Don't call it nothing else in the comment. Nah, though. Make sure y'all subscribe. Welcome to the page, FAZOE37. Shit, let's get this shit buzzing. Alright, y'all. We in here, man. Check the field out real quick. Feel me? We're gonna work on for like a whole month. Shout. Damn, still got the motherfucking 30-day tags on there. Them been expired. I don't think you get me. Feel me? You feel me? That's my boy over there. Shout out to him getting my shit right. Feel me? Let's go over here. Ooh, gotta get him right. We're gonna get that fixed though. We're gonna get that fixed. We're in the process of building this right now. Putting a new engine in her, you feel me? Get my shit back right, you feel me? Shoot, pretty much stopped, for real. I ain't gonna lie. Shoot, got the exhaust removed. Just putting a better, new, improved engine in her, you feel me? After that, we gonna, you feel me, tune it up real good. Get it popping, get it running. Hawking down the V8s, you feel me? Hit me too slow, you hear me? Nah, I ain't gonna lie, this right here, I can't wait to show y'all, boy. This motherfucker right here. Dead. Be gone. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. I swear to God, this is my baby. But yeah, though. Yeah, he say something was wrong with my mouth. Dang, I gotta watch my mouth. He say something was wrong with my throttle bodies or something. He say when he press on the acceleration, sometimes it accelerates, sometimes it won't. You trying to get that fixed right now. Sure, we done put a brand new engine in her. You feel me? What else? What else we put in her? Sure, we did something to the transmission. They had a little leak to it. Had to fix that up. We replaced the AC compressor. What else? Hold on, let me see. Shit, we done fixed the AC compressor. Sure. Man, I don't know, man. I done put so much money and time in this car, bro. I wouldn't even understand. For real. Just know it's getting right. Oh, yeah, we took the exhaust off this motherfucker, too. So that little motherfucker, a little, you feel me? A little louder. Open up this door real quick. Real quick. Dang! What the fuck? Oh, I'm gonna kick it. They done messed my baby up. All the way up. Damn. He done tore my old passenger side out. Said, forgive me. Dang. Hold on, so what the thing is, this has been my car for like a good 5 years, but I had sold it. It was gone for a year. I guess somebody was working on it. They done mixed up hella wires. Done tore this all out. I got it back. I remember it was just a lot of stuff going on. It was madness. So with that being said, like, sure, we just getting that all back together. We ain't gonna win. We fixing this all back up. Fin. This look where it started, man. This finna be changed. Ceiling finna be gone. Finna put stars on that. Seats, we finna probably make them blue. You feel me? Just mark my little word. Be getting that fixed right there. What else wrong with that? Oh yeah, he putting that back in there. That's mandatory. I'm gonna have to hop on him. You feel me? What else? Sure. Where the fuck? Oh, I was finna say, where the hell my motherfucking gas pedal was? Alright. Yeah. So as y'all can see, this motherfucker getting back right. It's getting right. We getting right. You feel me? We finna be back in action. You feel me? Mustang boys, I'm on y'all heels. You know, the Hemi boys, I'm on y'all heels. You feel me? I'm on y'all heels. I mean, that's just the end of it. You feel me? Anybody trying to link up, race, you know, we can do that. You feel me? Drop them comments. You feel me? Like it up, all type shit. You feel me? Oh yeah. Probably finna get up out of here. So he gone and continue working on the whip, getting it right. Yup. Dang, I'm sorry, yeah, my motherfucker. It's dirty as hell. It's cool though. What's up, my boy?
Huh?
Say what's up, my boy.
Okay.
Say what's up, my boy.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man? Shout out to my boy. Getting him right. All right, man. Look at the Audi. Look at the shit box. Dip on him. AMG, dip on him. Hemi, dip on him. Anyway. Now I'm out of here though, man. We gone, man. Subscribe, like, comment, do all that. Post notifications. We gonna catch up. Update on the PM. Probably gonna be like a couple days. Corey been here for like a month. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Corey been here for 2 months. Corey been here for 2-3 months. Corey been here for 2-3 months. You feel me? So shit. Hopefully it'll be done soon. You feel me? But other than that, we out here. FAZOE37. You feel me? All my GQ boys, go ahead, drop them comments, like, you feel me? V8, y'all suck. I ain't gonna lie. You feel me? Y'all too heavy. Too heavy. The real V6, y'all can't keep up with it. You hear me? For real. All the V8 boys, just bring me competition. I ain't gonna lie. Bring me competition. We out of here though.